Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Ankush again. So please like my videos and subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, you can type it in the comment. So currently I am covering the part how Azure Network Watcher works, and till now I have covered this connection monitor tool, then topology, then IP flow verify, next hope, and now today I will cover this effective security rules theory plus lab part. So let me start. So what is the effective security rules? In Azure, effective security rules help us understand which security which network security rules actually apply to our virtual machine or network interface. After combining all the NSGs that affect it, means the effective security rules give us the combination result of NSG network security groups that is applied to the virtual machine NIC or and and the virtual network. So it gives us the combination result of the NSG that is applied to virtual machine NIC plus virtual network. So let me explain you step by step. Like what is an NSG? NSG is a network security group, works like a firewall for our Azure resources. So it's work like a basic firewall, and it controls what kind of traffic can come in or go out of our VM or subnet. So NSG means like it's like a basic firewall, and it covers like what traffic can come in and come out from our virtual machine or subnet. And rules are based on IP address, destination IP address, port number, then protocol, TCP or UDP. Now, multiple NSGs can affect one VM. Like a VM in network interface can have one NSG, plus the subnet where the VM is placed also have one another NSG. So a single VM, by VM means virtual machine, may be affected by two NSGs, one at the subnet level and one at the NIC level. So it will get confusing, like which NSG will work. So that is why effective security rules give us the combined result of both the NSGs. So here is the explanation. The effective security rules tool in Azure shows the result, final set of rules that actually apply to that VM after combining subnet NSG rules and IC rules. This tells us exact whether certain traffic is allowed or blocked. Like after combining all the NSG rules, it will give us the combined result, like whether the traffic is allowed or blocked. And why it is useful? Sometimes our VM can't connect to another resource or incoming traffic is blocked and we don't know why. The effective security rules to help us quickly identify which rule from the NSG is causing the blockage. So like sometimes like if we have more NSGs, like more than one NSGs applied to the virtual machine, and we can't able to find like which NSG is blocking a particular traffic. So effective security rule help us to let us know like this NSG is blocking the traffic. So by getting that information, we can able to fix the issue. So now now let us come to the lab part. So till now I have created one virtual network. Okay, and this is the default subnet, and I have created one virtual machine VM1 or VM, and I have given the default IP address. Plus, I have uh, allowed the default NSG, and also I have allowed the RDP on this VM. So let me show you. So I apologize. The VM name is VM. So I have removed this one from the VM. So let me show you. So this is my virtual network VNet, and let me open it for you. So this is my virtual network, and there is only one subnet, and it's the default subnet. And let me show you. So this is the default. The name of the subnet is default, and this is my virtual machine VM. It is placed under this virtual network and default subnet, and also I have given the IP address, public IP to this. This is my private IP. This is the public IP. And I have enabled the RDP rule, and rest rules are the default rules, which is provided by Azure. So now let us come to the network watcher. So the network watcher, it is automatically get enabled when we create any virtual network. So let us see whether it's, so it is already enabled. Like in case if it is not enabled, we can also enable it by creating here. So now we come to the effective security rules. So here, so this is my resource group, ESR lab, and it has currently I have only one virtual machine. So it has automatically picked up the virtual machine by itself, VM, and it's currently working. Let me refresh it. Yeah, here. So now if I will find the virtual machine, like if we have more virtual machine, it will show up by itself. So currently I have only one virtual machine by the name VM. So it is showing here, and the network interface is VM452. So this is the network interface card or network interface VM452. It has detected by itself. If we click on here, and here, like we can see associated NSG, it's VM dash NSG. Okay. So it is showing up here. So let us check. So now, if I have to check like which rules are applied to my virtual machine, so here it is showing it is only provided one NSG, that is VM NSG. And in VNet, if we check about the subnet, so there is I didn't apply any root table or any NSG. It's none. So I can select either VM NSG, but currently I didn't apply any NSG on the subnet level. I have applied only the NSG at the VM level on the NIC. So in network watcher, if I will click on this VM NSG, so it will show us like this is the RDP which is allowed, and rest is this one is also allowed. This one is allowed. These are the default. So this is the way by which we can able to check like what is the combination of result by a on a virtual machine, like which NSG is applied. So this is the main function of the effective security rules. Like it will help us to determine the combined result of the NSG applied to a particular machine, virtual machine. So that's all for the today. And in the other video, I will cover this packet capture, then this connection troubleshoot, and then this VPN troubleshoot. After this, the part regarding the how Azure Network Watcher works has been will be completed. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.